Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making banana bread. Here I have 3 nice ripe banana here, and I'll be making banana bread with it. Looking nice. I love these banana. So I have the banana here. I'll use a fork and start mashing them. This is a good way to use up your ripe banana. Make banana bread. Using a fork, it's easy, so easy. All mashed up already. That I'll add 1 stick of butter, basil. I'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon. Keep mixing. Smells so good with all the spices. Add in 2 eggs. Beating everything so the egg taste go away. Using my hand wicks now. Add 1/2 cup of milk. This make it moist. That's how I like my banana bread, moist. Add in 1/2 cup of sugar. The banana is already sweet, so only 1/2 cup of sugar. Check out the batter here, looking good. Add in 1/2 cup of oats, make it healthier. 1 cup of flour, sifted. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 cup of walnuts, 1/4 cup of cranberry. Mix everything down. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It smells so good. Kids are home today, so I'm making nice banana bread for them. Healthy banana bread. So I have my pan here. I'll just spray it with my palm spray. Easy for me. Pour in the banana bread now. Looks good. You can see the cranberry here. So now I'll just tap it a little and I'll put it in the air fryer for 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Check it out, looking nice. in the air fryer there. Check out the banana bread here, looking good. Next 5 minutes and it's ready. Looking really nice. Check out the banana bread, looking so nice. Check out the color. Looks so good. Nice banana bread with cranberry and walnut inside, looking so good. Anyways guys, thanks so much. If you like how my banana bread comes out, looking so good, check it out. Thanks again. See you in our next video. Bye bye.
Oh, looks so good, Mom.
Enjoy, baby.